beneath the shade of the tallest coconut tree, they made a promise. He would protect her, always. She would honor the home, always. But years have passed, and promises, like tides, are sometimes tested. He paddled out with pride, the ocean calm, his heart steady. But nature had other plans. As the clouds rolled in, so did a test of courage, of love, and the sacred bond only a brother and sister could share. It was their first time, his first fish, her first feast. The village would gather, the family would watch, but one mistake could unravel it all, unless trust, not pride, leads the way. In the quiet of the evening, he strung each shell with care, not just a necklace, but a symbol of honor, of Tavaha. But when tradition is threatened, will a brother stand tall for the sister he treasures most? In a world where silence was expected, she chose to speak. Her truth echoed through the Fail. Now all eyes are on him, the brother who must decide, protect the way things are, or protect her voice. The sea had always brought them together, in laughter, in duty, in dreams. But tonight, it would witness their goodbye, a brother's farewell, a sister's silent tears, and the tide that carried their bond beyond the horizon. He had forgotten the way she smiled when he returned from the reef, the meals she prepared with love, the honor of their bond. But sometimes the spirit of the ancestors whispers, reminding us of what must never be lost.